number 1 engine, the Oregon Centennial. Boarding for this train will begin in just a few short minutes. Seating is limited, so please be considerate of any space you take up. There are singles for parties of 3 or less, and doubles for parties of 4 or more.
Oh, there it is.
Please save those larger compartments for any larger groups. Welcome back, everyone, to the main station. Please remain seated with the doors locked and closed until the train comes to a complete stop and you hear that train whistle. Wait for it. Wait for it.